What if I told you your hair loss is not permanent, and the real reason behind it is something most people completely ignore? And even worse, 90% of people trying to regrow their hair are fixing the wrong problem. But today, I'm going to show you how to actually reverse hair loss, regrow lost hair, and reveal the #1 most powerful meal for hair growth. Let's start with the most common cause of hair loss, androgenic alopecia, also known as pattern baldness. In men, it usually starts from the top of the head while the sides remain intact. In women, it's different. Hair doesn't fall out in patches, but instead becomes thinner overall. Now here's the real question. Why does this happen? Imagine each hair on your head is growing from a tiny factory. This factory is called the hair follicle. And here's something most people don't understand. The follicle is not the hair itself. It's the environment that grows the hair. Just like any factory, it needs oxygen, energy, and the right conditions to function properly. Inside this follicle are tiny power units called mitochondria. These are responsible for producing energy. And without energy, there is no hair growth. As you age, your hormones begin to shift. Testosterone starts to decrease, but another stronger hormone called DHT, dihydrotestosterone, starts to increase. And this is where the real problem begins. DHT gradually damages the hair follicles. It reduces oxygen supply, increases inflammation, and over time creates scar tissue around the follicle. And once that happens, hair stops growing. But here's the bigger question. Why is DHT increasing in the first place? Is it just genetics, or is there something deeper going on inside your body? The biggest hidden driver behind hair loss is insulin resistance. Yes, the same condition linked to weight gain, fatigue, and diabetes. When you have insulin resistance, your body produces more of the enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT. Your liver also loses control over hormone balance, leading to more free testosterone, which then converts into even more DHT. So the problem is not just your hair, it's your internal environment. If you truly want to regrow hair, you don't just treat the hair, you fix the ecosystem. Think of it like a plant. You don't fix the leaves, you fix the soil. One of the most powerful yet ignored methods is microneedling. It works like plowing a field before planting seeds. It creates tiny micro-injuries that trigger the body's repair system, activate stem cells, and improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the scalp. Then comes red light therapy. Using light in the range of 630 to 850 nanometers helps improve mitochondrial function. More energy is produced, and that directly supports hair growth. There are also treatments like minoxidil, which improve blood circulation by relaxing blood vessels and increasing oxygen supply to the scalp. But if you're looking for a natural option, rosemary oil is one of the best. It improves circulation, reduces DHT, lowers inflammation, and protects mitochondria, creating a powerful combined effect. But none of this will fully work unless you fix the root cause, insulin resistance. Nutrition also plays a critical role. Without the right nutrients, your body simply cannot regrow hair. The most important ones are vitamin D and zinc. They help activate growth factors and support stem cells. Other helpful compounds include saw palmetto, pumpkin seed oil, green tea extract, and peppermint oil. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful meals for hair growth. Liver is at the top of the list. It's rich in heme iron, zinc, copper, and essential trace minerals that directly support hair growth. Next is onion, both raw and lightly cooked. It contains quercetin, a powerful anti-inflammatory antioxidant. And finally, pumpkin seeds. They provide magnesium and important nutrients that help reduce DHT naturally. When combined, these foods support hair growth from the inside out. So remember, hair loss is not just about your hair. It's about your hormones, your metabolism, and your overall health. Fix the root cause and your hair can come back. Ignore it, and nothing will truly work. Take care of your health, and your hair will follow.